Welcome to Clothesline, the show where we wring them clean, string them up, and put them to dry on the clothesline. Let's start with #Olympics. You know the event we started giving a shit about 2 weeks ago, and we should ideally forget about it by next week. Post that, we will go back to our usual questions. You know, Agla IPL kab shuru ho raha hai yaar? Is there anything funnier than our attention to Olympics? Yes, the Indian media reporting it. Last week we showed you India Today reporter Boria Mojumdar doing an exclusive with cake, with Deepa Karmakar, but it was mostly with cake. We thought, who can beat that low? Rajdeep took that cake and put the candles of shame on it.
Hello and welcome to this special show where we are cheering for PV Sindhu. Go for gold!
अभी अभी तो आई हो अभी अभी जाना है ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम जाने दो जाना है.
Now, I can't help but wonder what would Rajdeep have done if Indian rowers had made it to the Olympics final?
तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया तारीफ.
And God forbid if Indians were to win a medal in diving. Here's his highly professional interview with the highly boosted arrogance that Indian journalists have about their own impact on people.
For much too long in India, we have always been happy with silver. Mr. Khanna, do you believe that the time has come not to even look at silver but to look for gold?
Yes, go for gold.
Are we putting too much of pressure on Sindhu?
Not really. I don't think she's watching this.
Can you imagine that, Rajdeep? She doesn't watch your show, like 99% of India. And you don't get too thrilled with that. 99% doesn't watch your show either. Doordarshan and Big Boss have 10 times the rating than you two do. And all you people jo daan dikha ke has rahe ho while watching Clothesline are too insignificant a fraction even to show up in ratings. So Madhu, tum bhi zyada khush mat ho. Mumbai Mirror. If you must go all the way, no point in pulling out after a half follow through. Instead of an out of context, incomplete quote, just paraphrase with a catchy movie title. Here are some ideas. Now, I will only say this about this NDTV story, that I don't do drugs, but once in my life, I would like to try what the NDTV journalists are smoking. NDTV prepared 2 versions of the Sindhu story, but some hyper-nationalist at NDTV, yes, even those do exist, decided, hell, she deserves a gold, so he put it up. What's wrong with that? Why should facts come in the way of patriotism? The practice of preparing 2 stories is an old one, so that whatever the outcome, you're ready with the story at once, which tells you how much of news is just bullshit, because they'll say the same thing. So-and-so played hard, so-and-so fought well, it was keenly fought, every point was contested, blah, 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 blah. X won.
No, why won?
Oh, okay. But don't laugh too much. The joke is not on NDTV, it's on you. NDTV gave the game away only this time, but you have been and still are reading stories across news platforms that were written before the event was over, purely speculatively. In fact, even we record 8 versions of Clothesline. 1 where NDTV screwed up and 1 where they didn't. 1 where CNN News 18 screwed up and 1 where they didn't. 1 where India Today screwed up and 1 where they didn't. And 1 where Arnab flipped out and 1 where he didn't. Just kidding. The last one never happens. Thanks Arnab. दुनिया में 2 चीजें बिल्कुल पक्की हैं. एक मौत और एक तेरा गुस्सा. Now brands keep doing stupid stuff to market themselves over other people's glory or even a tragedy. Sindhu's victory was no different, and everybody wants a piece of that feel-good factor. But there are people who do it well, consistently, and then there are people who do it so badly that you want to take their product and smash it with a badminton racket. such as Vidya Mandir, IIT classes, because nothing says be a nerd and study 16 hours a day to get into the most high-pressure conveyor belt that manufactures engineers than a spokesperson who some would call a jock. Now, journalism students, this is a case study on how the same person interviewed by two different anchors is completely different in two interviews. Not because O.P. Jaisha is a hypocrite or a liar or a schizophrenic. Jaisha is fine. But when news means committing to a position and then doing whatever it takes to prove your committed position right, then here is what you get. First, watch Boria, Mojumdar, and Rajdeep Sardesai commit to what happened because Boria says so.
Jaisha, interestingly, Boria is blaming the Rio organizers. In the morning, the story was going that it was the Indian officials who failed her. What is the truth, Boria? Who is to be held accountable, the Indian officials or the Rio organizers?
Rajdeep, in several other cases, the Indian officials are to blame, but not in this one. And I can tell you this, I've spoken to Kavita, who also ran the marathon. And both Jaisha and Kavita spoke to Indian officials, or rather, Indian officials spoke to them the night before and asked that, do you need us to be there with water or any kinds of supplements? And both of them said no, because the Rio organizers will be there. So in this case, the Indian officials are not to blame, rather the Rio organizers are to blame. Several other cases, our officials are completely goofed up, but not in this one.
Right, Boria. Of course they are not at fault. ये तो तेरे whiskey chane buddies हैं. Now to prove that, watch Rajdeep Sardesai and Boria Mojumdar intimidate Jaisha into not blaming Indian officials.
पहले जयशा ये बताइए, आप बताइए कि क्या हुआ एग्जैक्टली? क्या कोई ऑफिशियल वहां था या नहीं आपके साथ जब आप मैराथन दौड़ रही थी?
ऑफिशियल तो था, ऑफिशियल वही तो मैं बोला ना, चीफ कोच बहादुर सर आया था, मैं हमारे साथ, और डिप्यूटी चीफ कोच आया था मेरे साथ, और मेरा कोच पर्सनल कोच आया, मेरा कोच डॉक्टर निकोलाई सर आया था. ये लोग सब लोग था. बट 42 किलोमीटर रोड है, वो लोग मेरे पीछे नहीं भाग सकता. कैसा वो लोग मेरे पीछे भागेगा? अगर ट्रैक है तो ठीक है, वो लोग मेरे साथ साथ मुझे मिल सकता. बट रोड में 42 किलोमीटर लोग क्या कर सकते? वो लोग तो मेरे पीछे नहीं आ पाएगा.
आपके पीछे नहीं भाग पाए, लेकिन पानी, क्या ये सही है कि आपको पानी नहीं मिल रहा था और किसी ऑफिशियल ने कोशिश नहीं की कि आपको 2.5 किलोमीटर पर पानी रेगुलरली मिले?
नहीं, ऐसा हमको नहीं पता था ऐसा सिचुएशन होगा. हमको नहीं पता, कंपटीशन का पहले हमको नहीं पता था, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप भागा उसी टाइम भी ऐसा था. हर जगह में खाना, वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में, बीजिंग में था, चाइना, हर चीज अवेलेबल था उधर में. बट रियो में कुछ भी अवेलेबल नहीं था. यही प्रॉब्लम हो गया, क्योंकि हमारे ऑफिशियल भी यही सोचा होगा, क्योंकि ये कॉमन सेंस का बात है.
Now watch Arnab's skill when he plays her out, draws her out and stokes her outrage.
अभी ये मैराथन होने के बाद ये कहना कि इसकी गलती है, उसकी गलती है, इतने ऑफिशियल्स वहाँ पे हैं, कोई एक पानी नहीं रख सका आपके लिए 42 किलोमीटर रेस में, और वहाँ पे 42 डिग्रीज टेम्परेचर था, मैंने सुना है. ये लोग जो है ना, ये जो ऑफिशियल्स हैं, मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ कि ये बुज़दिल लोग हैं, ये बुज़दिल लोग हैं, और ये अपने आप को कवर अप करने के लिए किसी को भी झूठा बोलेंगे, मगर हम आपको बिलीव करते हैं.
हाँ.
आपने देश के लिए दौड़ा है.
लोग बोल रहे हैं कोच मना किया इसलिए नहीं रखा, बट कोच मना करने का रीजन
किसने बोला
हर मैराथन में?
किसने बोला कोच ने मना किया? आपको किसने बोला ये?
वल्सन सर, अभी दूसरा चैनल में एनडीटीवी लोग भी मेरे से इंटरव्यू लिया था, वो लोग को वल्सन सर बोल रहा था कोच मना किया. डॉक्टर निकोलाई से, निकोलाई का पूछा था पानी रखना है कि नहीं, रिकवरी ड्रिंक्स रखना कि नहीं, डॉक्टर निकोलाई. इसमें कोच मना किया तो फिर फेडरेशन कुछ नहीं कर सकता. कोई नहीं देखती मेरा दुख. मैं ऐसा, मुझे कुत्ता का तरह भगाती हूँ, ये इवेंट करो, वो इवेंट करो, इधर मैं कोच की इवेंट चेंज करती हूँ, तुम ये कोच का साथ जाओ, ये कोच का साथ जाओ, मुझे यही बोलती हूँ. मेरे टैलेंट क्या है? आज तक सब दुनिया बोलती है जयशा के अंदर बहुत टैलेंट है.
We know Arnab can do anything.
You know, I'm not playing a game here on NewsHour. 1 minute.
मुझे जो सही लगता है मैं करता हूँ, वो चाहे भगवान के खिलाफ हो, समाज के खिलाफ हो, पुलिस, कानून या फिर पूरे सिस्टम के खिलाफ क्यों ना हो.
Arnab can win a war with Pakistan single-handedly. He can take out the Gaurakshaks and any others. He can whip up Kashmiri protesters, cream the JNU students and milk any issue. He can roast any seculars and tandoori chicken and can hire reporters who have no ambition other than to answer to and toe the line of their great leader. But did you know he can also fire anyone? And by anyone, I mean anyone.
Ashutosh Sharma, are you also part of the Athletics Federation of India in any way?
Of course, I am also associated with the Athletic Federation of India.
Then quit. Then I'm telling you, quit. You quit. You quit in protest in the way. You quit right now in protest. Bijon Mishra says you quit. I say the entire Athletics Federation of India should quit.
So shout out to Bijon Mishra for making us realize that Arnab can fire anyone. Being fired on Arnab's show has its advantages. Advantage 1, your resignation letter will be really short. Advantage 2, explaining at home would be really easy. Wife asks, hey, you're not going to the office today? Ranga uncle says, remember I went to Arnab's panel last night? Wife says, yes, what happened? Well, I had no idea. I was actually serving my notice period on the show. If you think this guy has the power to fire people,
You're all fired.
You know what, Derek? You're fired. You're fired. You're fired. You're fired.
well, Trump, you've got nothing on this guy.
You quit. You keep interrupting like that. I've run out of patience with you. Never, ever again. You quit right now. But what are you doing? Be quiet. What are you doing? Be quiet. Where is your accountability? You quit in protest in the way. I say the entire Athletics Federation of India should quit.
Now coming back to Ranga uncle. Not this Ranga uncle, the other one. He either couldn't hear, couldn't understand, or he's from my generation, the hippie generation. I know what he's smoking. But if he's not smoking, then he's giving a bad name to us old people. I can't believe you just said that to Arnab. You crazy?
Who are the liars tonight? You think Jaisha is a liar?
Yeah, what you are concerned with, only you are concerned.
You said that? Ab jao khao kadi.
I am concerned. Every Indian is concerned. What do you mean? I am concerned. You should be concerned. You should be concerned. You sit on the chair. You are the official. You take the perks. How can you say, how are you concerned? How can you say, how are you concerned? I am concerned. I am concerned. I am concerned that an Indian athlete is not being given water by officials. How dare you say, how are you concerned? Mr. Rao, listen. I want to know why I am concerned. I'll tell you. Now listen to me. I am an Indian. Point number one. My country's athlete does not get water. Point number two, okay? My country's athlete completes a marathon in those inhuman conditions. 1 minute, Mr. Rao, let me complete. My country's athlete is flat, almost dies in an Olympic match. How can you say, how are you concerned? I'm concerned, I'm very concerned. I'm more concerned than you. All of India is concerned. We want you to all be sacked overnight.
This week's fatwa goes to this gentleman from a Pakistani news channel. आप दुआ दें, हम फकवा देते हैं. If you thought Arnab's panelists were over the top, wait till you see him.
डॉक्टर शाहिद मसूद को इन जालिमों के जुल्म से बचा, इनके शर से बचा, इनके हसद से बचा, इनके कहर से बचा. या अल्लाह, इस मुल्क में जो तेरे मुल्क नाम ले रहा है, जो तेरे मुल्क की सलामती चाहते हैं, जो इंडिया के खिलाफ आवाज उठाते हैं, तू उनकी हिफाजत फरमा. ए रब्बुल इज्जत, तुझे वास्ता है तेरे पाक नबी पाक मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम का. हुकूमत जो एयरवाई पे हमला करना चाह रही है, जो एयरवाई पे ड्रोन अटैक करना चाह रही है, तू हमें महफूज फरमाए इनके शर से.
चलो, अब आपने बात छेड़ी ही है, तो इस पर we will have a discussion with our own expert on Kashmir, Pandit Tansen Dent. Pandit ji, you just heard what the Pakistani side had to say. आपका क्या विचार है इस पर?
जी, इस पर अपनी प्रतिक्रिया देने से पहले मैं ज़रा प्रिपरेशन कर लूँ कि क्योंकि उन्होंने काफ़ी करारा पॉइंट जो रेज़ किया,
ये डिस्कशन है.
हाँ जी, उन्होंने भी डिस्कशन की. तो हमारा ये कहना है कश्मीर पर कि ask for milk and get kheer. Ask for milk and get kheer. But if you ask for Kashmir, तुमको देंगे चीर.
जी.
Don't ask for
थैंक यू।
मांगोगे तो देंगे की।
बस बहुत हो गया, बहुत हो गया। आपकी बिल्कुल राय समझ नहीं है।
हाँ, उनका किस पर क्या बोलना है?
हाँ,
उनका क्या?
अब देखते हैं पाकिस्तान की साइड में आपका क्या जवाब है इस पर।
बिस्मिल्लाह। ए रब्बुल इज्जत, जिस तरह मकबूजा कश्मीर में तेरे मुसलमानों पर जुल्म ढाए जा रहे हैं, इसी तरह चंद लोग इक़्तिदार के नशे में अंधे होके, ताकत के नशे में अंधे होके इस पाकिस्तान में तेरे नाम लेवा, तेरे नबी पाक मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के आशिकों पर भी ताकत से हमलावर हो रहे हैं। मैं कौम से दुआ करता हूँ कि दुआ करे कि या अल्लाह।
इस पर मैं कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ कि इन्होंने जो अभी बोला ना, इस पर मेरी ये बात सुनिए।
अब बहुत हो गया,
जिया मोरा
हो गया,
लहरा।
आपका सुन लिया, थैंक यू
जी। कुछ कश्मीर पर मुद्दा अब उन्होंने छेड़ा है तो डिस्कशन कर लेते।
नहीं,
मीनिंगफुल
हो गया ना, आपने सुना दिया 2 बारी, आपने जवाब दे दी उनको।
सॉरी टू से मैडम, आपके यहाँ ना कश्मीरी एक्सपर्ट की कदर नहीं है। मैं अर्नब के शो पे जा रहा हूँ।
हाँ, वहाँ जरूर कदर मिलेगी।
हाँ,
बहुत कदर
हाँ,
मिलेगी।
हम जैसों को वहाँ बहुत कदर मिलती है। चलिए,
मैंने देखा है।
हाँ भाई, बैंड आ जाओ। चलो
जाइए आपको।
चलो।
Since everybody has had fun with this image, we leave you with the fun we had.
पालकी में होके सवार चली रे, मैं तो अपने साजन के द्वार चली रे। कोई रोक सके तो रोक ले, मैं नाचती छन 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 छन।
Well, that's a wrap for this time. If you saw any moments from journalism that made you go, oh wow, or oh crap, write in to us or tweet to us. Subscribe to our newsletter and support our I Pay to Keep News Free campaign. We are the change. You are the change, for better or worse. Never do nothing. Stay connected. Stay online. If you like that, click here to support us and down here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do check out the other stuff we do, like News Laundry interviews, Why So Serious, animations, comics, panel discussions, podcasts which are really big, and much, much more.